Thomas. Well, thank you guys for joining me. You can see that some of my pages are still a work in progress and things that I'm adding. This is a little inspiration picture of the chandelier from Beauty and the Beast restaurant at Disney World. I'm hoping to getting something just even a little bit similar to that for my creative space. And these pages here are still a work in progress, and I've added still need to add more here. This was our planner meetup, but as you go through I will sometimes leave empty spots for information that I need to add. Hi, Tom. And so again, I randomly sort of work through my little kawaii journal here. And you'll see like I leave little spots for information or things that I'm waiting to print or to go back to, or however, because I really don't limit my creative process. I sort of just go with it and enjoy. And so here I will be adding in this little, even though I don't really do Santa stuff. Hi, Thomas. Next to 0. Hi, Tom. Okay, but it's a little Peachtree City card, and is a local artist who makes these, and I definitely want to add that to my little art journal book here. I think that will be cute. And then also some little specialty candies that I received, so I will definitely be adding that in as well. So sometimes I'll add those in my little pages to remember to work on, or also along with extra little goodies and such in my pockets. And then, hey, can you not eat that Christmas tree? All right, so I just wanted to share a little of my process as I go along. I will definitely read to you some of those quotes that inspire me, and share those with you. You might be able to read along some of them, but my writing is hard to read, so possibly not, but definitely when I finish, I will do a little flip through and share what those say. So, okay, also saw in the beginning I was using the click art pins. I had got the dark set on jet pins. I just wanted to share with you guys that you can get the like the everyday sort of colors, like rainbow, and then they also have a dark set, which sort of reminds me of more like warm earthy jewel colors. This is the dark set, and I had been wanting these for a really long time, but I couldn't really see getting more sort of markery pins. They have a nice fine tip, so you can write small. But when I saw that Jet Pens offered the dark and a pastel set along with the everyday set, which, like I say, it's like primary rainbow colors. Okay, and then on Tokyo Pen Shop, which she is Tokyo Pen Girl on Instagram, she had, and I think these, it doesn't say, but I think these are like part of the pastel collection, and this was like a little limited edition Click Art Snoopy pack. There was another limited edition one with other colors, not Snoopy, but another character, I can't remember who, but I think those were more like rainbow primary colors, and these colors were awfully pretty, and I don't really have many that are this color, so always trying to find some sort of justification to be okay with purchasing. But if you watch this far to the end, I thought, well, we will open a couple of these little special Disney. If you thought I wasn't going to chat at all, it was going to be a quiet video. It was going to be. But I decided to share with you guys a little bit in my little art journal process. Okay, so these are Disney Princess comics. I have a little Beauty and the Beast set, and you can get these like at Target, Walmart, sometimes like Walgreens, CVS. And this is a little mystery pack of characters, and this is already series 4. And they range in price from like probably like $4 to $10 depending where you're getting them. Okay, so I thought, let me share. I'm opening these guys with you. Look how cute that is. Did you guys see that? All the little characters. You could totally cut that and use that in your little art journal. Look at that. So cute. Oops, comes with a little bell sticker. Did you guys see that little top? Was I spinning that too high? But you could open that up and use that for, okay, we'll show that later. And little art journals. Also comes with a little list here. Now it's torture waiting to see who. I think this is the little list. Yeah. So some of these are like really hard to get. If I have any doubles, I will add them to my Etsy shop. But you can see, like, it'll tell you which is rare, which is the rarest of them all, and extreme rare and common. And so when people are trading these, well, here's the little list. When people are trading these, they will really price them according to rare and all of that. So anyways, and then it also shows you like how there's mystery characters. So it's like, who could those be? And it's cute. Rapunzel's adorable. So this is how it shows you when you look at, okay, who's rare and common and all the above. So it's cute. This would be completely cute in your art journal book or planner or whatever you want to use it for. So I'm going to go ahead and get that open. Sorry for bumping that little thing. Oh, that is adorable. I'm so lucky. I got Belle. So this is a different Belle than one of the other ones that I have. So it's cute. It's like a little comic stand. And there's a little spot there. And they're so cute. You don't have to put her on the little stand. Her little head moves a little tiny bit. But that's cute. I'm going to put her up by my castle. And I was super lucky to get another Belle. Oh, let's see real quick. How common is Belle? She's common. She's got that little like purpley star. And that up here is common. Okay. In Lumiere, it says rarest of them all. So much. Well, I was going to say so much for me thinking I was going to get a Lumiere, but that is not very a great way to think of things. So I'm going to think of it instead that I'm absolutely going to get a Lumiere one of these times. Okay, well, let's open this other one. And if there's something particular you're ever wanting to see in my videos, please just comment below and let me know what that would be. Oh, look it. So the sticker, I think, coordinates with the person that you have in here. It's really cute. Is that Aurora? It's probably so. Okay. Sorry, I'm taking so long on the process here. Also, the music I was listening to, that is Pixar. It's called Emotional Songs. Oh, it's so cute. It is Aurora. That's adorable. Okay. It's called Emotional Songs, and it's like songs from Finding Nemo, Up, Coco, Inside Out, Brave, The Good Dinosaur. It's cute. I was wanting to listen to the little Remember Me song from Coco like that. Okay, so I love that. I guess I kind of didn't remember that my stickers correlated, that my sticker I got in the pack. But they do. So here's the bell. And again, these are the little Thomas keeps bumping the camera. The Disney Princess comics. They're in the toy section. And they're real adorable, and they're nice little quality. And they're firm. They're cute. I like this series is sort of like translucent type style. Okay, so if you guys happen to get any doubles and you guys want to swap, let me know. I'm looking to doing that. I'll also put any extras I have in my Etsy shop as well. So, okay, thanks so much. Enjoy your day.